Maintenance Mike, you're going to take us to a lumber cart. These are things that people don't necessarily realize all has to be done. So,
Right.
where's the lumber cart?
It's in the workshop here. It was overloaded with lumber,
Oh
and
boy.
they broke the front part off it. So I have to make up a new front end, mount the wheels, and then we'll put her back into service.
Now, you're not going to believe this, but somebody on TikTok actually wanted to know where we got our lumber carts from. So I actually went and looked, and I believe most of our lumber carts come from Associated Machinery out of North Carolina.
Right, and there's like Hickory, North Carolina.
Yep.
I think they come from.
That's exactly right.
And usually they're picked up. A company goes out of business, and they'll go and pick them up, and then we redo them.
So we're not throwing away, and we're not.
lumber, redo the wheels on there, put them into service here.
Nice.
And we pile a lot of lumber on these things, so they have to handle the weight.
For sure. All right. Thanks, Maintenance Mike.
You're welcome.